चैट्स क्या देगा? Hello friends.
It's not live till now.
It's not live now. Let's wait. पण कोई नहीं देखा रही हो. Please, friends, type in a chat message so that we can confirm you are there.
Hi, friends. Yeah, now it's live. Hi, friends. Good evening. So, welcome to our channel. And I, CA Meeta Mangal, and CA Devangi ma'am is over here. And we are here to address you people and to help you out to resolve your problems, to understand what problems you're facing. We are here to talk to you people. आज हम पढ़ाने नहीं आए, हमेशा हम पढ़ाने आते हैं, हमसे पढ़ाते रहते हैं. आज हम पढ़ाने नहीं आए. जब आप हमेशा हमारी सुनते हो, आज हम सुनने आए आपकी. Please, hi Gaurav. Yes, we can see you. Thanks a lot. So let's discuss what is there in your mind as we have just today is 20th of March. Yes, Devangi ma'am.
So, thank you so much, ma'am, for inviting me. And let me introduce you first. Friends, this is CA Meeta Mangal, a renowned faculty for the subject strategic management and indirect tax. She teaches at Inter CA and CA Final. And we have uh, Meeta Mangal ma'am here so that, we can chit chat on the topics that are, bothering you since the exams are approaching. So, ma'am, I think first we need to discuss that how many days are left for the exams. I just think it's 55 days.
Yes, ma'am. 55 days are left. 15th May is the first paper, and Devangi ma'am is here to help you out for costing at CA Inter as well as CA Final levels. So we are here to chit chat. Boss, you can come out. 55 days, anxiety would be there. Ma'am, kya hoga? Is 55 days sufficient? Is it sufficient for us to clear the exam? So, boss, you can discuss anything, whatever you want to discuss with us. Or else, both Gaurav is there, ma'am, and Gaurav is saying both of my favorite teacher on the platform.
Yeah, he is our favorite too. Gaurav, I see you in everyday life, but today I missed you in the morning. You were not there in my live session. So, ma'am, let's talk about this 55 days planning strategy. What do you want to say about the students or those who are preparing both the groups or giving one group? What do you think? Students will they able to manage?
101%. 55 days, it's like almost 2 months. And if I say almost 2 months, both the groups is 101% manageable, provided you plan your studies. This is safe.
Exactly.
This is safe for chartered accountants and this is safe for everybody. If you are failing to plan, you're planning to fail. It's very
Exactly. Yeah.
important to plan it out, to see what to be done today, what next, what to be done in next 10 days, when your first revision should get over, when your second revision should get over, what you should study a day before the exams. All this are really, really, really important. So 55 days, honestly speaking, be it CA inter or be it CA finals, ma'am. You agree for CA finals also?
Yes, yes, yes.
But yes, 12 hours to 14 hours is what is expected. Yeah, ma'am?
Yes, yes, you're right. In fact, I have made a planning video on it, which is uploaded on my YouTube channel for the students, those who are giving both the groups together, and for the students, those who are giving one group. A planning strategy is uploaded. Friends, what you need to do is first plan your work and then work on it and give 100 and 200% dedication. I'm sure you'll be able to make it.
100%. And same way, you can even visit my channel where you'll be getting a planning video as to how, because see, everybody has its a different plan.
Yes,
So
yes, yeah.
I'll again tell you people, it's not that if I am saying something or ma'am is saying something, you have to follow exactly the same. But
Yeah,
yes, at least you will be getting guidance. So somewhere if you're going wrong, I don't say that change your pattern completely because we are saying something. But yes, if you feel somewhere you're wasting your time, that timetable can help you out in getting best of it.
yeah. And ma'am, what do you want to say about the resources from which the students should study or should give importance to, or something that they shouldn't miss out at all?
Yeah, ma'am. I would love to add over here. See, normally students, when I ask students ना, this is मतलब अगर मैं हिंदी में बोलूँ ना, अगर मैं बच्चों को पूछूँ ना, are you done? Yeah, done. So what you have done, ma'am? I've read twice. मैडम दिन दो बार पढ़ के how मतलब what level of brains, how can you write something only by reading? Was not accepted, not
Yeah,
possible at all. I am not saying you have to learn by heart. We don't have to learn by heart, but there are keywords. You have to learn the keywords. If you don't learn the keywords, you won't be able to write points, you won't be able to elaborate it. So I'm not here to say that you have to learn each and every word, the, etc. No. Learn the keywords, learn the headings, one thing. Secondly, reading will not help. For sure, reading will not help. And then if I ask क्या कर लिया मैम हो गया क्या हो गया I have joined X class, Y class, I've done with the notes. I'm not saying it is not sufficient, but still, I would say when I used to do my CA, agar if I'm saying my chapter one of indirect tax supply is done. So for me, chapter one was the notes given by my class. I used to even go and check study material, question answers. I'm not saying read the material, but I'm saying question answers which is given back of every chapter. Then I used to solve 5 years RTP. In fact, if you can't do 5 years RTP, at least do five RTPs, five mock test papers, and five question papers. This is really, really very important to gain confidence because this is where you feel okay, I've done this all. So please, once you have done this all this, then you can say yes, my chapter one is over.
now I would
Mayur is
like to
saying,
say,
ma'am, Mayur is saying, institute want copy paste of module language. Mayur, I won't agree to this. I know you are writing CA finals, but I've also done my CA. So I would say that no, they want language, but deny nahi karti. And why not? Because you are future chartered accountants. You're going to write audit report. Your your advice matters a lot. So language matters a lot. But
yeah.
then they don't expect word by word. Yes, they want keywords. They want sections. They want rules. They want case studies. If they're expecting this, they're not wrong. But word to word, they're not expecting by you. What do you say, ma'am, in this case?
For theory subjects, very well said, ma'am, that these keywords are important and not exact language is expected by ICI. What I would like to add on is for practical subject and subjects like costing. Friends, you have to be very clear with the concept. Often students ask me that मैम आप कितने sums करवाते हो, क्या आपकी बुक में ICI का बुक कवर है, क्या उसमें RTP कवर है, राइट? तो फ्रेंड्स, अगर मैं सारे बुक्स मैं ही कवर कर लूंगी तो फ्रेंड्स आप अपने आप से क्या करोगे? और अगर मैं सारे कवर कर भी लूं तो फ्रेंड्स जो एग्जाम में सम आने वाला है वो तो नया आने वाला है, तो आप
Correct.
फेस कैसे करोगे? So what I want my students to understand is that solve 5 sums, 10 sums, how much ever you can, okay, of that concept. But when you solve it, make sure that you know in and out of concept and you can be flexible with the adjustments that ICAI is going to ask you, right? I don't want you to become expert in that particular sum. I don't want you to remember the answer of that sum. In fact, I want you to become capable of solving 500 other sums that can come in your way. So become capable of solving. So what you should do is whatever lectures you're viewing, view it and then solve the sum by your own, and then tally your answer with the solution that you have. And
I
if it
completely
matches
agree to this,
10%
ma'am.
also, that's a great thing. Then but next time you will achieve a higher target. And that
Correct.
is the way you can become capable. Make yourself capable to, solve the ICI sums that will come.
I'll have to add over here, ma'am. Uh,
Yes,
what we
ma'am.
said that solve on your own. Exactly. Normally,
Yeah,
what student do is audit. क्वेश्चन
yeah,
ऊपर है, नीचे सॉल्यूशन है, ऊपर पढ़ते जाएंगे, नीचे टिक मार्क करते जाएंगे. बॉस, आर यू गोइंग टू डू दिस इन द एग्जाम्स? नो. Arey boss, when you're doing something now, don't see the solution at all. As if you are writing the paper, solve the paper, and then compare
yeah,
what you have done and with the answers given. By this, two things will happen. First, you will come to know this was perfect. Your
yeah,
confidence will increase, and
exactly.
second, you will come to know this where I went wrong. Both the things are very important. मुझे मेरी strength भी पता होनी चाहिए, same time मुझे मेरी weakness भी पता होनी चाहिए, so I can rectify where I'm going wrong. So audit, don't do it audit. Solve it as if you're writing, and notes to accounts. Be accounts, paper, be indirect tax, be direct tax, be costing. Notes to accounts is very important. How whatever you are doing calculation, assume paper checker is not aware of anything. उन्हें कुछ भी नहीं आता है. आप जो भी कैलकुलेशन कर रहे हो, जो रीजंस आप कर रहे हो, नीचे उसका बेस दो. What are you doing? And please don't write any notes in the table itself. Just write note 1, note 2, and write it below the answer, because I've seen students doing these mistakes. Presentation makes a lot of difference. See, tell me,
Exactly.
accounts में we are having a presentation from 11th standard. 11 से प्रेजेंटेशन करे जा रहे हैं, बट टैक्सेशन में आके ना मैंने देखा है बच्चों को लगता है कोई प्रेजेंटेशन नहीं है. नो, प्रेजेंटेशन इज देयर. देयर इज कंप्यूटेशन. जैसे हम लोग बैलेंस शीट में
Yes,
लिखते हैं
yes.
एज ऑन डेट, पीएनएल लिखते हैं फॉर द ईयर एंडिंग, वैसे ही टैक्स में भी लिखना पड़ता है. व्हाट आर यू कैलकुलेटिंग? इज इट इन रुपीज, इज इन थाउजेंड्स, इज इन डॉलर्स, व्हाट? सो बस दिस छोटी छोटी बातें ना हम क्या करते हैं, हम इग्नोर कर देते हैं. एंड दिस स्मॉल स्मॉल थिंग्स क्रिएट प्रॉब्लम. यस मैम.
Mayur is asking how to prepare for SCMPE case study. So,
Right.
friends, for Mayur and for other friends who have this concern, I would like to address over here that for a subject like SCMPE, people had this mindset कि यार ये तो कॉस्टिंग ही है, ये तो प्रैक्टिकल ही है, तो इसमें केस स्टडी आना, और वो भी 60-70% अभी केस स्टडी आना, पहले तो ये माइंड एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं करता है, राइट? तो आपको इसको 70-60% जो भी है, ये आपको एक थियोरेटिकली ही पढ़ना होगा और उसे प्रेजेंट करना होगा. एंड हाउ टू प्रिपेयर फॉर केस स्टडीज, जब आप क्वेश्चन पढ़ोगे, you should be first able to identify that this case study belongs to which model. How many models can you relate to this case study? You should know the theory of that case study, and try to write the keywords of the case study and relate the case study with the keywords and elaborate it. So this is how you will do it. And Mayur, let me tell you, try writing the answers, right? Theory bhi likh kar padho. Only if you write it, you will remember it, and you'll remember the way to present it. Writing and practice is the only way to succeed. Okay, Mayur? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So, ma'am, we have given so many tips to the students about how to prepare for theory subject and practical subject, and I'm sure this is going to help them a lot, right? Now, do you think, ma'am, that uh, hearing to so many lectures, people view regular courses, fast track courses, crash courses, aren't these lectures always enough? After referring to books, also, don't you think there is a need to write the test?
Of course, yes. See, I can share this my own experience when you're saying writing test. Things are things which you don't forget in your life, and I think I cannot forget my foundation marks. I got rank all over India. Being from a
Wow.
science background, I was a PCB student, physics, chemistry, biology student, and then I came to commerce world, and I got rank all over India. And I think the major reason why I got rank was test series. And it's not only 100 marks test. I used to go to classes for mercantile law, I still remember, and my faculty used to take test chapter wise. because it was like 6 months, a year, 6 months time was there. And every chapter when she used to take a test, or maybe she used to merge two chapters and then take a test. By that, every time when she used to check and she used to let me know where am I going wrong, that is very important. See, writing tests, Devangi ma'am, I would say is not sufficient. Along with that, an expert need to check it and give a proper guidance as to where are you going wrong. Even if I've given the test, if there's nobody to check my test paper and nobody is there to tell me when am I going wrong, I think that is not going to help students. It's important first students should write two chapters test. Then they should write 50% syllabus test. Then they should write 100% syllabus test. And for sure, if some student have written like this now, nobody can stop them in getting exemption in that individual paper. And I believe if you get 60 marks in one or two paper now, aggregate problem is solved there itself only. Yes, ma'am. Do you agree to
Yes,
this?
ma'am, for understanding this, what you said and what students actually should do. I have already made a plan on this. I have launched a test series for Inter CA May 22 course. My costing test series, only costing subject has got 9 papers. There will be 6 unit tests. In a unit test, there will be 2 or 3 topics. So, like this way, if you appear for all the unit tests, you do the subject study once, then you
Right.
have to give 2 semesters. So while that, you will revise the subjects for the second time. And then you have to give the mock test paper, and you will be studying the subject for the third time. And friends, this is what is required to prepare for a subject. And then nobody is going to stop you from getting an exemption in the subject. So this
Agreed,
test
ma'am.
series is already launched. I have my app Costing by Devangi. You can, download the app and enroll for it in case you want. All these papers are personally prepared and checked by me, and once I check the paper, I give mentorship to the students as to how they can improve, whether they are lagging in some concept, whether they're lagging in presentation, or exactly what are their improvement areas. And mind it, friends, you will never ever fail again in case you have failed earlier. So this is
Agreed,
what is
ma'am.
required.
Again, for this, I want to add over here that we have also launched a test series for strategic management.
Yes,
Same, you
yes.
can download Costing by Devangi app, and there you'll be having total 8 papers for strategic management, where you will be having 4 papers of 2 chapters. There are total 8 chapters, so 2 chapter each. Like this, you'll be having 4 papers. Then you'll be having 2 papers on 50-50% syllabus. That means first 4 chapters and last 4 chapters. And in the end, you'll be having two full syllabus. So in short, you'll be having 8 papers. And again, what ma'am said, it's the paper is set and reviewed and checked by us only. And we are here to let you know exactly where are you going wrong. So you can even download SM paper from Devangi by Costing app, which you can download from Play Store.
I will I will share a look that how does it look in your Play Store. Ma'am, just a second, I'll show
Yeah,
the
ma'am.
students. So friends, what you have to do is go to Play Store. Can you see it, ma'am?
No, ma'am, I cannot see on the screen.
You cannot see it. Just a sec. Can you see it now, ma'am?
No, ma'am. And meanwhile, Mayur, why are you getting so much worried about SCMP? Ma'am is there to guide you people. Just follow the instructions given by the faculties. It really works. Getting me? So yes, one thing is first 55 days, plan your studies for 55 days. Second,
Okay.
what you have to see what all you need to cover. And third is the test series. So now ma'am will help you out how to download, how to go ahead with the test series.
So this is how the app will is named Costing by Devangi in your Play Store and App Store. Once you download it, you will be having this image of the app. One second.
And just chill here. I don't. It's very easy to say
Can you
just chill.
see it now?
No, ma'am.
No, nothing is seen. Okay, okay, no problem. Nothing, Amma. It's not there. ये पूरा screen.
Okay.
Let's carry on. It's not getting connected.
Ma'am, as it is, we are going to come live again on this Wednesday, where we'll come with really important like news as about the new batches what we are going to come for indirect tax, for costing. So at that time we'll help you out. In meanwhile, we'll upload a video on this on the YouTube channel. Yes, ma'am. Can we upload a video for the same? How can you download the app and everything?
Can you please repeat what you just said, ma'am? I'm sorry.
Is it possible that we can upload a video on the same on the YouTube channel?
Yes.
So we can do that also. And at the same time, in the next session, when we'll coming live on
Okay.
coming Wednesday, that day also will again help you out how to download the app, how to access the study material, how to access the test papers, how to access the video lectures and everything. And
Okay.
honestly, it's so friendly app, and I myself got so much attracted.
Yeah.
So others who are live, please can you also ask questions? See, हमेशा हमेशा हम लोग ही बोलते हैं, हमेशा मतलब इनफैक्ट आप लोग बोलते भी होंगे तो हम लोग सुनते नहीं है. आज हम लोग बोलने का मौका दे रहे हैं, तो यू पीपल आर जस्ट लिसनिंग. ऐसा कैसे करते हो? ऐसा क्यों करते हो? Mayur Gaurav के अलावा students who are viewing us live, please ask questions. Or else, if today if you're not asking questions, you can chat and you can post us what is your expectation for May 2022. What do you want us to do? Honestly, if it's really possible for us with a given time span, we'll try to give us our level best. Because I really believe मैम का कॉस्टिंग पेपर इन ग्रुप टू, माई सी फाइनल्स में अगर मैं बात करूं, indirect tax का पेपर इन ग्रुप टू, if two papers in group 2 is done now, then your job is at least done for aggregate.
Exactly.
So please do ask, please open yourself, please let us know what fear factor is there. डरो मत यार, डर के आगे डरना नहीं है यार, करना है. मतलब आई कीप ऑन टेलिंग माय सन आल्सो सेम थिंग कि गिविंग अप इज basically a failure. Fighting is not a failure. Trying your best is not a failure. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, one of my student Ritesh Gupta is asking, can we prepare IDT in 1 month?
Are you writing
Ritesh,
the
are you in
exam
CA
or
final?
wait, finals or CA inter?
Ritesh Gupta, you are in CA final or in inter?
Accordingly, I can help you out. So, okay, let me take example for both the cases.
Let's wait
Even
for.
if you're writing CA, to see if you're writing for CA inter, it's 40 marks. 60 marks is direct tax. CA inter, honestly, syllabus is vast when I say for 40 marks, but important chapters are really limited chapters. So if you focus on those chapters, 1 month is sufficient for CA inter. But for finals, I would say 55 days if you're writing only group 2. So your exam will be from 24th of May, I believe. So you'll have almost 2 months.
Story.
So if you study for 3 hours a day daily indirect tax for 2 months, that means approximately if I say for 50 days also. So 50 into 3, 150 hours is sufficient for indirect tax. But you should give 3 hours on daily basis. And if you have not done the classes, then you'll have to take, you need a guidance. Why? It's not that you cannot manage. Every student can manage everything. I believe in that. But in this 2 months time span, to link the topic from chapter 1 to chapter 10 or chapter 20, that is not possible. There you need a guidance for a teacher. So you can contact us for the guidance. Will help you out for that. Yeah, ma'am.
And one more thing, students, to tell you, whether you have doubt in the subject, SM, IDT, costing at enter final, right? What I want you to do is just download the app, send a chat message. We are there for you. You will get the reply. Okay. And in case you do not have doubts or you don't wish to download, still I would say download, because here in the app, we keep you updated with the ICAI announcements. We give you free study material. We give you free videos that help you to enhance the preparation. So, friends, this app is very handy. As you have any other app, it is just one more app in your mobile, and it is so user friendly. I'm sure you're going to enjoy the experience of using this app. Okay, so this is what we have in our app. We have a CA Inter Costing Crash Course, and very soon we are going to start with Meeta Mangal ma'am's lecture over here. And we also give the subjects chapter wise. In case you want to purchase just one or two chapter, you can have it.
Ma'am, this is the best thing what I like about this, that you're getting chapter wise. Normally,
Yeah.
students come to me for, ma'am, I understand the whole indirect tax ITC chapter I want, or
Yeah.
maybe valuation chapter I want. So it's very difficult as a faculty to give them one chapter. But here, the best thing is you can even go for a single chapter.
And we are coming up with a combo, so you can have a look at this. Soon it will be launched, so download the app now and avail the benefits of these app. There are free contents also uploaded, so you can just view the few lectures that will help you. In case you need it, you may purchase it then. And all these courses are along with the test, so you do not need to purchase the test series separately. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am, perfect. This is the best thing, that you are getting proper lectures, chapter wise. In fact, you are able to give tests also. This will really, really, really help you a lot.
Now let's ask the students what they want to ask something, if at all.
Please go ahead.
Students are taking time to respond. So, ma'am, what I'm saying is, let students come to our YouTube channel and write in the comment section exactly what they want for our upcoming videos. Right? Suppose if they select a topic like they want video based on input tax credit, so you can make a special video on it. That would be a conceptual video. Similarly, if they tell me that, ma'am, I'm having issues in this, it would be better if you make video. Our friends can use it, right? So we can give you exactly what you need, but for that you need to tell us, friends, exactly. So what you have to do is go to the comment section and write the video that you want. In case it is in our app, we'll let you know. In case if it is not there, I'm sure we will make it and give it to you.
Yes, ma'am. perfect.
Okay.
So, Mayur, Gaurav, Ritesh, and others who are viewing us live, please do come with your concern. We are here to resolve it. And coming Wednesday, we'll be coming live again with new batch announcements.
Yeah. And my student, those who have not yet subscribed to Meeta Ma'am's YouTube channel, it is CA Meeta Mangal. Subscribe it just now, and I'm sure you can take full advantage of so many videos uploaded by you, ma'am.
And saying, please do subscribe, see Devangi Shah's YouTube channel. You'll really, and download the app, Costing by Devangi. That's amazing. It's so friendly, so user friendly. It will really help you out. So, anything else? Okay, ma'am. So we can do one thing. Uh, we'll connect again with students on coming Wednesday, same 9 p.m.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Take care. All the best. Give your best and leave the rest.
All the best, students. God bless you, and come up with your concerns. Chat me with this app. Get connected. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Bye bye. Take care.
Bye. Take care. Bye, ma'am.